restless soul. Blues in my heart, but I'm in control. Every strum of my guitar feels right as I tear through the shadows of the night. 18 wheels of rock, rolling strong and loud, breaking every silence. I draw the crowd from truck stops to cities. I'll never stop. I ride with 18 wheels of rock. I ride with 18 wheels of rock. From truck stops to cities, I ride with 18 wheels of rock. With every beat, steel chains rattle and shadows fall. I'm the road warrior, hear my call. Heavy load, heavy riffs, never backing down. My rock and roll truck shakes every town. Through the storm and smoke I drive this myth. Life is loud with heavy load and rib. Midnight rain and a blood red sky. Engines scream like a battle cry. Ashes fly where the black top burns. Another mile, another turn. Heavy load, heavy riff, never backing down. My rock and roll truck shakes every town. Through the storm and smoke I drive this myth. Life is loud with heavy loading. jukebox glow. Stories of truckers only I know, but the engine hum keeps me alive. Through midnight silence I survive. Neon highway dreams guiding my soul, trucking through the darkness, never grow old. Under silver skies and fading beams, I ride forever on neon highway dreams. The stars above, my only guide. I chase the night, I will never hide. Turn a key, hear the growl inside. This rocking rig is my joy and pride. Guitar wailing, diesel hums along. Every gear shift writes another song. Rocking rig, take me far away. With a rock and roll heart, I will never stay. From the desert sands to the mountain bed, I live my life in a rocking rig. Coffee hot and the night is young. Radio blasting, my song is sung. Highway endless, stars above. This rig and I roll with fire and love. Rockin' rig, take me far away. With a rock and roll heart, I will never stay. From the desert sands to the mountain big, I live my life in a rockin' rig. Every road I chase, every dream I did, I ride forever in my rockin' rig. Rockin' rig, take me far away. With a rock and roll heart, I will never stay. From the desert sands to the mountain big, I live my life in a rockin' rig. Engine screaming, tires bite the ground. Rock and roll fury in every sound. Diesel storm rolling wild and free. Thunder in my veins, fire inside of me. On this endless road where legends are born, I ride forever in a diesel storm. Windshield glass. Another mile, another town I pass. But the rhythm of the highway never dies. I keep chasing dreams under burning skies. Diesel storm rolling wild and free. Thunder in my veins, fire inside of me. On this endless road where legends are born, I ride forever in a diesel storm. Fire inside of me. On this endless road where legends are born, I ride forever in a diesel storm. Hear the hum of the wheels in time. Highway rhythm like a song of mine. Engines howl like a guitar cry. Asphalt symphony beneath the sky. Asphalt symphony, a trucker's song. The road keeps playing all night long. Every line I cross, every town I see adds a note to the asphalt symphony. Keeps my spirit warm. Asphalt symphony, a trucker's song. The road keeps playing all night long. but it's the highway that I call home.
Steel and leather, chrome and flame, every mile calls my name. Guitar strings bend with the highway sound. My rig of fire shakes the ground. Rig of fire, burning bright, rock and roll thunder in the night. From coast to coast, I'll never tire. I ride forever in my rig of fire. Asphalt smoking, skies turn red. Every city knows the path I tread. Raise your hands, feel the desire. We're all alive in the rig of fire. Rig of fire, burning bright, rock and roll thunder in the night. No past, no chains, no walls to climb. The road is my rhythm, my song, my time. Chains rattling, shadows fall. I'm the road warrior, hear my call. Heavy load, heavy rips, never backing down. My rock and roll truck shakes every town. Through the storm and smoke, I drive this mill. Life is loud with heavy load and risk.